this. You can sign this Gemini. The Gemini is showing the different writing skills and text skills and speaking skills, the voice assistant also. The Gemini developer, Gemini business, Gemini advanced are the 3 versions are there. You observe this book author here, and now I will sign in this Gemini, my Google account. After opening this Gemini account, is the one pop-up window open. This you can observe this. That is the top of this. You click here. The YouTube intro creation Gemini, some old ones also is there. Can you try this? Ask this Gemini to the. You ask any question, the Gemini to the answer, the response is given to this Gemini. Yes. So many prompts are there. You click new chat, this Gemini. I asked this question, how to make chicken biryani. The Gemini giving this information, how to make chicken biryani, marinate and cook, procedure how to cook this chicken biryani. They are given the so many tips. It is the total processing is given, the it measurements. You observe this, it measurements, the this all our measurements are given. After that I will ask another question. This the bacon sandwich also is given, some questions are given. This you observe this preparation, assembling sandwich, how to make sandwich also given. This now I will ask another question of this Google Gemini. Topic: show me list of places in to visit Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, it is given the places in Salarjung Museum and Golconda Port, Chomeli Mahal and Birla Mandir, Charminar. It is given. The Google Map also producing this one. After this, Gemini manager is coming, chess champer, brainstorming, career guide, coding partner. It is some features are is upgrading this. You can create a Gemini with advanced. Then I upload this image and type. It is given information. These images description man and robot is the these features are coming. Now I will show you another topic. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel TechDo. Today is I will tell you Gemini interactive features. The key features of this Google Gemini is the multimodal input handling. Gemini can process text, image, and audio tandem, making velocity across the different field. Advanced natural language process. Gemini offering enhanced language understand allow the performance tasks like a summarize, translation, and cover translation interaction with human like accuracy. Real-time data processing can analyzing is the real-time to data applications such as customer support, virtual assistant, and data driving analyzing. Class platform integrate Google Gemini is built-in integrated with existing Google products like a Google Search, Google Cloud, Google Android platform. The personalized the module can adapt based to use the performance and continuously data providing highly personalized output. Cloud-based Google Cloud offer the best integrate allows the Gemini run seamless in the cloud with auto scanning capability. The setup reduce need to be on permission hardware as you pay for run Gemini on your own servers and ensure you have powerful machines capable handling data set and complex complications and particular real time and analyzing multitasking explores lost online courses to learn new skills to workplace particular application. Google Gemini is the flexible allows to be used wide range of real world application has some of examples for business automation, healthcare, research and academic and e-commerce. The business automation organize can integrate Gemini into the customer service workflow to powerful intelligent chatbot that handling both text and visual input, reducing human workload and improving response time to healthcare. In the healthcare sector, Gemini can analyze medical images such as X-rays or MRIs along with patient history suggested potential diagnosis. It multi-module natural allows provide comprehensive analyzing single input model research and academic research can also Google Gemini process vast amount of research papers, extract key information and even generate summarize this accurate. The research processing helps academic stay up to date with latest development. E-commerce platform can use Gemini to offer improving product recommendation by analyzing customer behavior image and perfect customers could even upload image product. Gemini would recommend it similar to complementary items. Best factors use Google Gemini. Optimize input data. The quality of your input data direct affect output generating by Gemini ensure the text data clean and image are high quality and multimodal input well organized. Monitoring elimination model performance. Regular elimination your models performance using metric like accuracy persons recall this especially important customer model trained specified data, leverage Google Cloud ecosystem, take advantage Google's comprehensive cloud ecosystem, scale your Gemini based application, it's through the integrated data storage, AP management, machine learning models constantly. The conclusion get started Google Gemini is open numerous possibilities. This Google Gemini is a groundbreaking AI model offering the potential various industries multimodal capability conceived summary of pilot. This is the key features multimodal input handling process, text, image, and audio together, advanced neutral language processing, excel in summarization, translation, neutral conversion, real-time data processing, ideal for application require instant knowledge, cross-platform integrated, work as seamless with Google Search, Google Cloud, and Android personalized, adapt use performance to output could on primary flexibility scale solution, Google could powerful local and particular application. The business determination, the power of the intelligent chatbot and streamline workflows, healthcare combining image analyzing with patient history of diagnostic assistant, research accelerate research with advanced summarize and insight, e-commerce announce produce recommendation through beware of visual data analyzing The best bet is optimize input quality, clean, well-structured data, ensure better result, regular farmers, and utilize cloud and leverage of the ecosystem storage app and scalable. This concludes Google Gemini Redify AI capability with its multimodal processing integrated potential. It is best practice optimize input quality, clean, well structured, ensure better results, regular performance monitoring, use metric like accuracy and recall, fine tuning outputs, and utilize and cloud leverage ecosystems. Please subscribe my Tech Dude channel. Please like my Tech Dude channel. Thanking you once again, your Tech Dude.